On Meghalaya Day this year, I had received a letter from the Honorable Prime Minister of India. Apart from congratulating the state on its statehood day, he congratulated the people of Meghalaya for the tremendous economic transformation that has taken place in our state. That state today is the second fastest growing state in the country after Tamil Nadu. And if you think of it, who would ever dream that one day a small state like Meghalaya would be competing with the more advanced states in the country, states like Tamil Nadu, Karnataka, Maharashtra. Meghalaya today is in those leagues in terms of the economic growth that we are seeing today. It is not a small step, but it is a very, very important and a decisive step towards our goal to transform the state of Meghalaya. Honorable Prime Minister mentioned in his letter that while achieving this tremendous economic transformation, Meghalaya has also ensured that we have kept our fiscal discipline, have managed our resources and finances in a very, very prudent manner. And that also is a very important signal to show that while economic growth is important, it must be done in a sustainable manner, in a balanced manner, keeping all aspects of economics in mind. Friends, people always ask me, what is the greatest achievement according to you in the last 8 years? Is it the new secretariat that's coming up in Shillong? Is it the additional secretariat coming up in Tura? Or is it the number of new roads that you have constructed? Or is it the schools that you have constructed? And I tell them that while all of this is important, the greatest satisfaction I get and the biggest work I tell everybody that I have done is being able to bring a smile to the citizen's face. That is my biggest achievement. It is not the big developments and the buildings. It is that smile. It is that difference that I can make in a person's life. And I think that is what drives this government. I asked Deputy CM Preston Tinso that you have been in so many governments before. What do you think is different? And is it different Is it better or worse? And of course, we all know he just spoke. He said that it's very different because a lot of things are being done. A lot of development is being done. But then he added at the end to say that while we are doing all of this, the best part about our government is that we all enjoy what we are doing. Nobody is working here because he has to work. People today, whether it's government officials, whether it's MLAs or ministers, we are working here because we find a sense of purpose that's driving us. We are being able to make that difference. And because we're able to make that difference, we all are enjoying what we're doing. And I think that is what makes this government different from others. Others have also developed. Others have also done different kind of work. But it is the positivity. It is the sense of not giving up. It is a sense of working towards a purpose, a vision, a goal. Knowing that whatever time I give, it will translate into something different and something positive for some human being in our state, some citizen in some corner of our state. And that is what drives this government today. We are here to serve the people of our state. I am not celebrating 8 years of MDA government, as correctly mentioned by Honorable Deputy CM. We are here to celebrate the people of our state. We are here to celebrate the 8 years of service that we have given to the people of the state. We are here to celebrate the lakhs and lakhs of lives that we have been able to touch in the last 8 years. And that is why this celebration is of great, great importance to us. Because it is not about Conrad Sangma, it is not about Preston Tinsong or any of us. It is because it is about each and every one of you who's present out here. Friends, while we move in that direction, a lot of challenges are there. A lot of problems we face. But if we are together and we are focused in what we are doing, I'm sure that we'll be able to overcome all those challenges. And when I say that, I'm not claiming that we have done everything. Absolutely not. There is always more to be done. People ask me about the small, small dots and gaps and potholes that are there. If there's no current in particular village for one day or 1 week, it pains me. When I see some garbage lying somewhere, it pains me. When the water supply stops in some village, it pains me. I feel I have not fulfilled my duty and responsibility. But everything cannot happen in one go. Development is a process. It takes time. Things take time. But I can tell you that we are in the right direction. And we will achieve the different goals that we have set out. But we need the support of the people. We need the support of the team. We need to be working together. I sometimes get pained when there are elements in our society that sometimes try to create differences. Friends, we may have differences, but we are together because of our history, because of our leaders. And whatever challenges and difficulties we may face and we may have, we will find a way. We will find a resolution. We will find a way forward. But hating other tribes, hating a different community is not the solution or not the way forward. We need to discuss, we need to talk, and we need to find how we can find a resolution to the issues that are there in front of us. Unity will always be our strength. And I hope that in the days to come, we will work in a united way to take our state forward. On this 8th anniversary of the MDA, it is only appropriate for me to thank my cabinet colleagues. Without their work, their efforts, we would not be where we are today. I would like to thank our MLAs who have been very, very supportive of the government in whatever we do. My special thank you goes to our officers, those who are working in offices, in the secretariat or departments, and those who are working in the field. You are part of Team Meghalaya. And no matter what position you are in, your contribution matters. Sometimes there may be challenges, which is natural. But it does not mean that we should neglect our people or forget about the purpose for which we are all here, which, as I said, is ultimately to serve the people of our state. I hope that this day will reignite our sense of purpose and passion to continue working dedicatedly, no matter what the challenges and no matter how tired we get. We will not forget our responsibility towards our people. And that is the thought that I would like to leave you all behind with. On a closing note, I've always told people in different occasions that I believe there are 3 forms of development. 3 forms. The first form of development is a development that you can hear. What is a development you can hear? The foundation stone was laid. The government has decided. The policy has been created. We hear the development. That is the first form of development which is there. The second form of development is a development that you can see. So after the foundation has been laid, when the building is complete, When we see that building, that is a development that you can see. Oh, a new building has come up. That is a second form of development. The third form of development, which is the most important, is the development that you can feel. So you heard the development, which is the building, the foundation stone was laid. Then you saw the development, which was the new hospital that came up, the new building that came up. But you will feel the development when a person's life or a mother's life is saved because of that hospital. And that, my friends, is the development we should all be pursuing. It's not about foundation stones only. It's not about the hospital building or the school building only, but it is about saving that life. It's about educating those children and transforming their lives. It is about the help that we have given to the farmers so that their lives are changed. The development that you can feel. And that is the reason I say that my greatest satisfaction and my biggest achievement is to be able to bring a smile on a person's face. Because when you are able to get a development that one can feel, you will bring that smile to the person's face. Kasarar pingrang, ang ating taman sa ya someni baku, no kapay sol ko, matel sing nang ako siya. Iriang pa bulsi chet ni gisepo. Ya NPP-led MDA government. No kapani kasachi, aro no kapay sol ni blessing chi. Anchi ni Meghalaya state ni manderang na kham ka na nga chol ko mat na ha. Meghalaya state ni public ko ba aro plug citizen rang ko. Nasimani support na. Nasimani taksakan ni na. Nasimani kumunga ni na. Ang atong tangmad sa Meghalaya state ni plug citizen rang ko nga gisa ka atong gamakchi ang matel naska. Ya bulsi chet anniversary ni celebration ba mania ni ra. Ang ni ongja. Ang ni cabinet ni bangsa, aro government ni bangsa. Ya mania niya ra, ansini state ni, citizen ba public ni ba na simang ni mania ni inga. Uni ka man dalo, tentang program rang ni through, ansini public rang na. Matel plani chin ko misok na. Retsag ni kolgrek crore ni. Dengtang beneficiary scheme rang kuts nga talo swalaha. Focus plus ni through crore sot pri na pate. Tangka pesa rang kuts nga talo distribute ka inga. CM scholarship ni through laksa ansini beneficiary student rang na. Crore sotok tangka pesa rang kuts nga talo release ka inga. CM Farm Plus ni true stage o sakskeng sakchi nungo mandarang nasan chika chekot na ya. Di ba more than 20 crore called bruk na bate tangka pesa rang kuts nga tentang beneficiary rang na Meghalaya state ni kona nuksuko tentang district rang kuts nga ansini gamay gi itsa pa noktang rang nats nga ya tangka pesa rang ko utinga. Orap sa nakiya government of Meghalaya ni baka program scheme rang bunga. ya plak program kon ya sal March ni 2 tarik ko sini government ni belsi chat ongani ko public na sini metel pelani aro public na bentang mansa benefit rangko na magsungi talot ska ya program ko organize Kaei tentang an sini beneficiary rang natska scheme rangko nga dalo swalaha pingrang makang siba namgapa magsungani dalot nga kamrang ko kainga Haida sini kamrang mo bano ba gwala ni rang dong na ba dunga singa ba perfect ungja singa ba mandesa Kunige man iya plak sini kam kaaniyo ano ba may ba kamrang susok na matjaw de ba may ba sini kamrang namjaw de singna agani utbo singna skibo CM Connect program ni truanga pangnan public baksa agan grekenga golpo grekenga public ni suggestion ako rainga bakang siba mamang nik agree pano ba na simang namgapa suggestion ako naskode pano ba ni mistake rangko correct ka naskode anga kusyong ken Zat niya song ni state ni namganina dalo kam ka na singa politik sunari baha unigaman hayat sengku mong na dasyo deputy chief minister at semang nakaningat sem bini belsi kol grak patte biya dalo sorkaryo donge biya kam ko ka jok dengtang government to biya minister maha Dengtang chief minister ang baksa biya kam kaaha. Ande ba je kam rangko program policy rangko ya MDA government riyaga pa belsi chat ni gisepo kam kae development aro public ni cangki tangani gadang rangko je taki tang dua taha bini belsi kol grak minister ngan ni somayo yan sini NPP government ni kam kutabya tarang ko pan kuja Ani dalo deputy CM na simang na sakiko ninga. Uli kami na pingrang atsing ya chol ko na. No kapay sol atsing na ya chol ko ninga. Atsing kumong na nanggin. Kumong ani ko akanon. Hayda nga atsing bano ba agree ka sana ba dunga. Aha CM ni sanchebo nga. Siya ba pangnam de correct ung sawa? Paano ba de disagreement tung aigin? Diba disagreement tung ani ka man at sengku ngong sawa de pingrang at sengdan at seni song nan tak bega pa kemani ungin. Hayat seng no kapay solo pangsake Ansin ya song ko ansin ni state ko makango do ni ansin ku monge makang siba kamrang ko kaangku na ani nga ya so many pako na simang sakan chikon mol naska. Friends, once again I wish all our citizens the very best on this very important occasion. There is some more programs that are left, so I will not take too much of time. But once again, wishing all the members of Team Meghalaya a big congratulations and a big thank you from my side for your dedicated service to the people of our state in the last 8 years. And as I said, let us reignite our sense of purpose to continue to dedicatedly serve the citizens of our state. May God bless each and every one of us present out here. May God bless our beautiful state of Meghalaya. Kublai Shibun, Matela, and Jai Hind.